What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sakina Marie, for those of you who do not know. Now, today we are back with a video, back with a budget video. Today I am actually going to go ahead and fill my cash envelopes with you guys and just show you how I do my cash envelope system. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you have not watched my other budget videos as to what is even... If you haven't watched my other videos and don't know what I count for my cash envelopes, I will go ahead and leave that down in the description box below. So make sure you go ahead and check out my budget with me videos. So for my cash envelopes, I go ahead and account for my spending. I account for my tabs. I account for my toiletries. I account for my moving costs. I account for my parking. I account for my gas, and I account for my groceries. So those 7 things are what I include in my cash envelopes. And today you guys are going to go ahead and watch me stuff this cash into my cash envelopes. So what I went ahead and did is I actually went ahead and printed off these printables from online so that I can keep track of what I spend my money on, or how much I deposited, and then obviously the amount. So first foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these all out, and then I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I cut out all of my little slips, and now we're gonna go ahead and quickly tape them to the back of the cash envelopes. Alright, everyone. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I added all of this little slips to the back of these. So we're going to go ahead and start stuffing our cash envelopes. First is groceries, so we're going to go ahead and do $100 for groceries. And we're just going to go ahead and... Actually, let me do this so that... So we're going to go ahead and do $100 to groceries. So this is a deposit of $100. And all of these are empty, by the way, so yeah. So we have our groceries, just gonna set that off to the side. Next we have our gas, which gas This is obviously another, these are all going to be deposits, so I'm not even going to say that. And this is going to be $80. 20, 40, 60, 80. Parking, this is going to be $10. Oh, I got some money for parking. Oh, I didn't even know. Honestly, I think this is supposed to, this $5. I don't think I had my tabs. I don't think I had my tabs envelope in the car, so this is supposed to go into my tabs money. Okay, so parking, we got that. I guess let's just do tabs next. Which tabs? We can add 2 deposits. Well, I'm just gonna say $10. Normally I just do $5 for my tabs, but since I already had $5 in there and I didn't track it, I'll just do $10 for now. I'll just do that. I'm depositing $10. Tab, so my moving cost, that's $100. 20, 40, 60, 81. And this is not, this is for when I say moving money, I just mean money that I'm gonna need for when I actually move, like traveling across the country money. So next is toiletries. $40. And then my spending gets the rest. Now, before I recorded this video, I had already bought a few things. I had to buy a couple things. So, for my spending today, I'm just going to have, let's see, it's all over the place. So, we got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $55 in our spending money, which I started off with $100. Deposit $55. All right, so we went ahead and stuffed our cash envelopes, made sure that we recorded it on the back. If you guys are going ahead and doing the cash envelope system, make sure that you get a little sheet. You can honestly create one for yourself if you don't have a printer or if you don't feel like going to the library or anything like that. Just print it off and make sure you keep track of where you're spending your money and how much you're spending, just because it's best prep to go ahead and just know how much money you have for each category and keep track of where your money is going. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I really appreciate it. I always reply. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel. Until next time, bye guys.